Claude just launched a new product that is called Claude Design, and if you run Google Ads, this one directly affects your workflow. You checked with Claude, it builds the visual, landing pages, ad creatives, pitch decks, interactive prototypes, then export to Canva, PPTX, or a live HTML page. Here is why this matters for Google Ads marketer. Like landing pages and ad creatives are the two biggest bottlenecks in any campaign. It is not the bidding strategy, not the keywords. As all of us manage Google Ads account where campaigns get delayed for weeks waiting on landing page design. But this tool changes that equation. Stay with me till the end of this video and I will be showing you how it can change the complete scenario. And it is the one that changes how you pitch clients. According to the Anthropic's announcement, Claude Design is powered by their most capable vision model and it is available for Claude Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise subscriber. You describe what you need. Claude builds a first version. You refine through conversion, inline comments on specific elements, direct text edits or slides that tweaking spacing, color, and layout live. It also reads your brand's code base and design files during setup. So every project uses your colors, typography, and components automatically. And here is an important note. Now I will be showing you the possibilities how Google Ads Manager can take the most benefit from this single update. So possibility number 1, landing pages without a designer. The biggest unlock for Google Ads marketer is landing page. Anthropic says marketers are using it to create landing pages, social media assets, and campaign visual. Then loop in designers to polish. For a solo Google Ads freelancer or a small agency, the implication is clear. You can produce a testable landing page from a prompt without a Figma round trip or a $99 per month unbound subscription. So here's a pro tip. When you test this prompt Claude with your RSA headline verbatim, matching ad copy to landing page headline is a proven quality score lift. So it is a worth testing early. And here is the possibility number 2, ad creatives for Performance Max and Demand Gen. Performance Max and Demand Gen needs dozens of visual assets. Most advertisers underfeed these campaigns because producing creative is expensive. If Claude Design can generate square, landscape, and portrait variations from a single brief and export to PNG, that fills the asset library fast. Regarding the caveat, we don't know yet how well it handles ad-specific formats like strict aspect ratios or text overlays that Google's policy allow. Test small before you scale. This is the use case I am most excited about for agency owners. So Anthropic highlights a feature where designers turn static mockups into clickable interactive prototypes. No code, no review cycles. So how we can translate that to a Google Ads agency? Instead of pitching a new funnel with a slide deck, you walk in with a clickable prototype. The prospect clicks through the exact funnel you are proposing. Opt-in, thank you, sales page, and checkout. One of Anthropic's launch partner, Brilliant, says page that took 20 plus prompts in other tools now take 2 prompts in Claude Design. And here's a pro tip. If it lives up to that claim, that is the single fastest way to raise your close rate on high-ticket retainer. Sell with a prototype, not a pitch deck. Here is the possibility number 4, pitch decks and reports. Anthropic says founders and account executives are using it to go from rough outline to complete onboard deck in minutes, then export to PPTX or send to Canva. For agencies, that is every month client report, every audit deck, every new business page, all produced in the agency's brand colors automatically. And because it exports straight to Canva, you don't have to rebuild your workflow. Claude Design handles the first draft, Canva handles the final polish. Here is a quick recap of this video. So number 1 is this just launched. It's worth testing, not betting your whole workflow on yet. And number 2, the biggest Google Ads wins are landing pages and ad creative. You should start from here. Number 3, it is included with Claude Pro. So if you already pay for Claude, the access is free for you. I will be testing Claude Design on real Google Ads project over the next few weeks. If you want the actual results, the landing page experiment, the prompt that worked, and the ones that did not, I have created Google Ads campaign checklist that covers my full campaign framework. Download it, link is in the description. If this video helped, subscribe. I post new Google Ads tutorial every week. Drop a comment, which of these 4 possibilities would you test first? The use case you picked tells me what to cover the next. See you in the next video.